I am Assistant Professor J. Tikone, Department of Chemistry, New Arts, Commerce and Science College, Ahmednagar. Now we have to discuss Robinson annulation reaction. What is Robinson annulation reaction? And we have to study its mechanism also. By Robinson annulation reaction, cyclic ketone is converted into another cyclic ketone having a extra cycle and a double bond. Look at the reaction. Toward reactant side, there is cyclic ketone and methylvinyl ketone, and toward product there is a bicyclic ketone. Now compare reactant cyclic ketone and product bicyclic ketone. In reactant cyclic ketone, there is one cycle and one double bond, carbon oxygen double bond, and in the product cyclic ketone there are two cycles and two double bonds. One is carbon carbon double bond and another one is carbon oxygen double bond. Means reactant cyclic ketone is converted to the converted into the bicyclic ketone with addition of one cycle and one double bond. This Robinson annulation reaction is the combination of Michael addition reaction and intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. We are well familiar with aldol condensation reactions. Now we have to study its mechanism, and for this we go to the next slide. Alpha hydrogen of carbonyl group in the cyclic ketone is more acidic. You know this. Sodium ethoxide acts as base, removes this hydrogen and generates carbanion or conjugate base. Carbanion is stable due to the delocalization of this negative charge on the oxygen. This form is called as enolate ion. This enolate ion attacks at the beta carbon atom of methylvinyl ketone. In case of methylvinyl ketone, there are two electrophilic sites. One is carbonyl carbon and another one is beta carbon atom, that is CH2. Remember now, when carbanion is stable or enolate is stable, there is delocalization of negative charge from carbon to oxygen, so it is stable. When carbanion is stable, it attacks at the beta carbon atom, and when carbanion is unstable, it directly attacks on the carbonyl carbon. In front of us now there is a stable carbanion, so it will attack at the beta carbon atom. This addition is called as Michael addition. It is also called as conjugate addition because carbon carbon double bond and carbon oxygen double bond, these are in conjugation, and it is also called as 1,4 addition. Why 1,4 addition? If you give the numbering in methylvinyl ketone, CH2 1, CH2, carbonyl carbon 3 and oxygen 4, the O minus part goes at beta carbon atom, that is position 1, and Na plus goes at oxygen, which is at position 4. So this is 1,4 addition with migration of double bond. This enolate picks up proton from alcohol, ethanol. We get enol readily tautomerizes to the ketone. In the second step, this is the intramolecular aldol condensation. We have not shown mechanism there, but I explain it. Listen carefully. This CH3 group is deprotonated by sodium ethoxide, generates carbanion, that is CH2 minus Na plus. This CH2 minus Na plus attacks at carbonyl carbon of cyclic ring. There is formation of 6-membered ring. There is formation of beta hydroxy ketone. These readily undergoes dehydration and we get bicyclic ketone. That means in Robinson annulation reaction, which is the combination of two reaction, Michael addition reaction and intramolecular aldol condensation reaction finally gives bicyclic ketone. Thank you.